Hi everyone, I'm Pavani from Nellore. I cleared my CA finals in November 22. Joining SUPER36 was instrumental in my success. Before joining SUPER36, I was not able to study for long hours, and even if I sit for long hours, it was not productive. And further, I would not plan for any revisions in between. I used to think that I can do my revisions after completion of all the syllabus, which never happened. Upon joining SUPER36, I gradually became productive with the help of focus blocks technique and 1 week 1 subject strategy. This 1 week 1 subject strategy kept me motivated throughout the week to complete that particular subject in the same week. And coming to the other techniques like 5-time revision technique, it helped me to revise often. And the examination at the weekend and self-evaluation part in it, it helped me to identify my mistakes and also to keep track of the areas which I have to improve in the next revision. And so that's what. And finally, I would like to thank Himakan sir on behalf of all the CA students for designing such a wonderful program which helps students not only in their CA journey but also beyond that. Thanks a lot, sir. And once again, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be a part of the program. Thank you.